Have you ever wondered how to find a minor key?
Have you ever wanted to play that dark, gloomy, sad scale?
Well, we got you covered.
I'm Alec.
And I'm Jiles,
And we're the Music Theory Kings.
Using these three methods, you can find a minor scale.
First method we'll be talking about is a whole step, half step pattern. Here's the A minor scale. First, you need to find the key you want to use. In this case, we're using A minor. Here's the pattern we'll be using: whole, half, whole, half, whole. And this is how you use it. From A, in this scale. From A to B, that's a whole step. From B to C, that's a half step. From C to D, that's a whole step. D to E, another whole step. E to F, a half step. F to G, that's a whole step. And from G to A, that's a whole step. Now that you know how to use the pattern, let's see if you can do it yourself. Pause the video now and try to do it. This is how you do it. So from E to F, that's a half step. But the pattern says to starts off with a whole step. So it would really be F sharp, not F natural. And from F sharp to G, that's a half step. From G to A, that's a whole step. From A to B, whole step. B to C, half step. C to D, whole step. And D to E, a whole step. And that's how you write your E minor scale. That was one way to find a minor scale. Here's another way. Take it away, Jiles.
Alright, so the next method we're going to be using is the parallel method. And this is pretty much a basic little method. It's kind of easy to remember because you can know parallel, you can think about two straight lines are the same. And basically, let's say for instance I play C major. This is C major here. That's C major. But C minor would be this. The only thing the parallel method is the same starting pitch. So for instance, C major, the parallel minor, is C minor. This parallel major or the parallel minor to G major is G minor. Same starting pitch. So that was C major, but let's try C minor. C minor is this. It sounds different, but it has the same starting pitch, so it's easy to remember. F major, F minor. A major, A minor. You kind of getting with me? So you can look at any note on the keyboard and say, the parallel minor to this is blank minor. One way to remember the parallel method is happy versus sad.
Aww.
Okay, so you may be asking, you may be wondering, Jiles, what if my minor scale has flats or sharps? How do I find that? Well, you've asked the right question. So let's say, for instance, let's go back to G major. G major, and this is called the relative method. The relative method, and basically you're trying to find the amount of flats or sharps the minor scale has. So basically, let's say you would go to G major. That's G major, and to find the relative minor, you would just go down 3 half steps. So we start at G, let's go down 3 half steps. That's 1, 2, 3. That means our relative minor would be E minor. It's the same vice versa. If you're trying to find the relative major, you would go up 3 half steps. 1, 2, 3. And that's how you find your sharps or flats. You would use the same amount of flats and the names of the flats and sharps for the minor as the same you would a major. So let's go to Alec and see how he breaks this down.
All right. Here's E flat major, and as you can see, E flat major has 3 flats: B flat, E flat, and A flat, as to the rule of flats, B, G, C, F. If you go down 3 half steps, you find its relative minor, C minor. And since it's relative, it has the same amount of flats: B flat, right here, E flat, and A flat. And here, that's how you find the relative minor.
So those are the 3 ways to find a minor scale, 3 methods. The first one is
The whole step, half step method.
the second one is finding the parallel minor and the parallel major.
And the third one is finding the relative minor.
All right. We hope you learned something. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah,